Hi, this is Richard Bliss here with CrowdFunding Beat. We're here on the Berkeley campus at the Academic Symposium on Crowdfunding, and I'm joined here by the chairman and founder of CrowdValley.com, and also who's part of Grow VC. Jouko, what's your last name?
Jouko Ahvenainen is the whole name.
Well, I appreciate you being here and taking a few minutes to talk to us. Tell us a little bit about Grow VC. It's basically a global presence for crowdfunding?
Yeah, we are a very global company, so that we are basically operating, I would say, around the world. We have people in all 6 continents around the world. We have main offices in London, in the UK, in Hong Kong, and also in New York, in the US. And then we own CrowdValley, that is basically the company that offers the ecosystem and platform for different kind of companies that like to operate crowdfunding, crowd investing, or peer-to-peer investing marketplaces.
Now, you were early to this crowdfunding space because Grow VC as a crowdfunding presence has been around for quite a while in internet years, hasn't it?
Yeah. We started the first marketplace in 2009. We actually started that one in Hong Kong because the US situation was then so complex from the regulatory point of view. But it has been very global marketplace, and we have actually totally more than 100,000 companies who have created a profile. Of course, all of them haven't opened funding round, but it has been very global marketplace. But since then, we have expanded our operations so that we have this platform company, CrowdValley. We have also consulting company, Grow Advisors, and we have a stake also in several crowdfunding services around the world in real estate, startups, later phase companies, even some commodities and so on.
So let's talk about CrowdValley, because you're talking about that it being a support, like infrastructure support. Tell us a little bit more about details. What does that mean? So if I'm looking to raise funds for a particular company that I have, is it limited to the San Francisco Bay Area? Is it the US? How does that work?
No, basically anybody anywhere can start to use this platform, but our main focus in CrowdValley has been the US market, because there are, for example, certain things like regulation, what you need to modify always local legal requirements. But we have clients and partners also, for example, in the UK, also in Asia, and some other places in Europe, so that in that way the offering is quite global. But the main focus at the moment is really in the US, because the Title II of Jobs Act also opened the market, for example, for many broker dealers, investment banks, and other parties, basically to market and advertise investment opportunities. But also they see that it's time to basically move the investment models to online era, so that you can really get all assets and deal flow and investors online, and basically make the market more effective in that way.
With your global presence, you really have insights into everything that's happening in the crowdfunding space around the world. You've recently released a report about that. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, we basically released a report today that is our first report to especially cover what kind of crowdfunding models there are around the world, what are the activities in different countries, what kind of assets are basically offered in different countries, so that it's a kind of summary how we see the market and how we have seen also activities in different areas.
If somebody's interested in that report, how do they gain a copy of it?
Yeah, they can at least go to CrowdValley.com website, and basically it is available there to anybody to download.
I certainly appreciate you taking a few minutes with us.
Okay, thank you. It was nice to talk to you.
This is Richard Bliss. We've been here at Berkeley campus at the Crowdfunding Symposium. And we've been speaking with Jouko with Growth VC and CrowdValley.com. And we have one other thing to ask. Jouko, if you had one thing to tell the audience about crowdfunding, what would you say?
I would say that it's going to change the whole finance world, so that it is not only about startups, it is not only small money, but it's really how to make the whole marketplace effective and how to make the whole finance world more effective and more transparent. So that I believe that in that way it's going to change the whole finance world.
And then can you share with us, can you say go crowdfunding? Can you say that for us?
Go crowdfunding.
There we go. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
Jouko, thank you very much. You've been listening. This is CrowdFund Beat here at the Berkeley campus at the Crowdfunding Symposium. Thanks for listening.